Yan.
Yan. Yun. Diyan kita dadalhin.
Okay.
Ang daming turista, pero gabi na, dapat tong mga turista na to, nagsiuwi na to. Sabi siguro mga turista, bakit sino ka ba? Hintian ka.
Sabi mo, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Andito. Oh, i-record mo na
Mm-mm.
yan. This is S.
S.
Mm. Ang spelling is E-Z-E. Yan, S.
E-Z-E.
Yeah.
We are
This
now
is an
at
attraction around
Ease.
here in Monaco.
Beautiful Monaco.
Hanggang kailan? Umuwi na nga kayo kasi. Kami naman, kanina pa kayo dito.
Maganda pa ang araw, mataas pa ang araw eh.
Yeah, yung parkingan ba?
Okay.
20 euro parking.
Hoy, at least wala din kaysa magbayad ka pa dyan ng ng
Papasok
entrance.
sa loob.
Barato na nga yan eh. Dito tayo, papasok talaga, bawal pumasok dyan kung hindi ka nagka-stay dyan. Ano yun,
Oh,
Chateau
really?
de Berbor. Oo, ayan Chateau de Berbor.
I know.
Okay.
It's okay here.
I parle de car. Oui, parle de car.
Dyan na pala sa kalsada.
Sila na nga Bali nga ito, Bali.
Bali, okay. Bali
Pero, muna ako kaya. Is there any... Okay.
La taverne, le délit, le cactus. It's not so bad. 3 restaurants in the town.
Okay.
And down you have La Villa d'Aise, l'Entrepote. You have some restaurants here.
Like a Chinese food.
Chinese food, yeah, over there you have.
Down there.
Down there.
What time they close?
What? The town?
Yeah.
No time. Just the exotic garden close at 7:30.
7:30. It's already...
For the Chinese food, just down there, close to the tabac and pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Okay?
Okay.
If you want to park for the public parking, just there, as you wish, madam.
Where is it?
Just
Near the Chinese?
and Chinese close to the parking. Down.
Hang on. I'll have a look first.
Okay.